Yo, what up fam? It's the Cosmic here. I wanted to go over a quick video doing a navigation of our Discord server, and if you're new to Discord, how to actually utilize Discord to your best capabilities. So, first things first, you're not going to be able to see all this whenever you first start. This is all something I get to see because I am, have full permission. You'll be brought to the welcomes page. And with the welcomes page, you can then select what kind of member that you want. You'll start off as free. And each member, you will be able to have a 2 to 3 day trial. After you click it. And then once it's over, like WowE, unless he wants to pay the $95, he's not going to have access to this anymore. Next, you'll go to, this will be a subscribe to our welcome page. It's empty right now, but it's under the works. And you click here for rules, and you will see all the rules. You can click on any one of these hyperlinks to actually bring you up to any of the chat room. So let's go to click that for the general chat. And now I'm at the general chat room. The next tab is testimonials. This is going over, this is essentially testimonials from our members. Very straight to the point. Next, we have questions and suggestions. If y'all have any questions or suggestions, leave them here and we'll get back to you. One of our members, moderators or admin will. Member tier breakdown, we'll get this populated here soon to have exactly what channels each member tier gets. So you click on that the little content button and it'll bring up the menu for the other channels for the server information. Here we have our server announcements, our donations where you can go and donate to the server if you feel like supporting the community. And navigations, we will have a map for the navigations to where you can just come here and click on any chat room that you want to get into. And then we also have our social media right here. Next is member information, and what we have is the member profiles. So you can go through here and you can just learn a little bit about everybody. You can type in your own little profile as well. Next tab is our contest. We'll have running updated contests. So right now we do have a Benzinga Pro contest, and this will be populated here soon. And then we also have contest submissions where you submit your contest here, your entries here, essentially taking a screenshot that you like our Facebook or our YouTube page, you subscribed, and you shared it at least once. Next will have our watch list, and depending on your tier will depend on which watch list you'll see, and we'll post our watch list in here according to the members' breakdown time. The main chat room is where most of the activity happens. We'll have the general chat where everybody is open to talk. Stock alerts where if you're going to, we're going to alert stocks where our moderators and our admin talk in here pretty frequently. We have Goose Breaking News where this is a strict Mother Goose channel where he just breaks news constantly. And he loves to do this. Next, we have a Stockbot. Stockbot, you can have any commands. So say that I want a chart of XBA. And now it gives me a chart of XBA. Next, we have our memes page. This is just for fun. If you want to come and post anything funny, you can post it here. Next, we have our Stock Squawk. Our Stock Squawk is a voice channel where we sit and we talk about stocks throughout the day. We also have an off-topic squawking if y'all don't want to, if this is getting a little too cluttered and you want to talk about something that's not stock related, you can come down here. Next, we have our streams. Our stream thread is where you can talk during our active live streams. And then our live streams is the place where we'll do all of our streaming. Our platform setups will be behind tier as well. And this goes over any platform setups that any of our moderators or admin or members themselves would like to put in: Benzinga Pro setups, Thinkorswim setups, eTrade Pro, and Trade Zero setups. Next, we have our Learn to Win. This is where we post a whole lot of information about these different topics. So Learn to Win, you'll have a whole lot of miscellaneous info. Then you'll have your ebooks. Then we have dividend investments, swing trading, a couple of ebooks, teachings of the Tims, so Tim Bowen, Tim Grattani, or Tim Sykes, deaths and taxes, some tax information, and then we also have options, where we're going to start doing some option information as well. Next, we have the admin-specific channels. So we have Gooseism, where he drops a little bit philosophical style teachings. And then we have Talk to Me Goose, where he goes deep into detail about different topics. Next, you have my breakdowns. Right now, I'm doing mostly videos, and I will start posting typed out breakdowns as well. And then any open questions. So next you have Spaz's breakdowns, where he goes into detail, and then you have Spaz's goodies, where he posts some miscellaneous. Next we have our social feed, our tweet deck, where you see all of our tweets, our YouTube channel, where my YouTube channel, where I'll post my YouTube videos as soon as they get uploaded, and then the Traders Anonymous YouTube channel, which once they start uploading, then we'll have that. And that's pretty much it. So that's all the channels that we have in the Traders Anonymous. Let's look over to this side to see the little sidebars to see what you can do there. Right here you can switch in between channels. So I can click here, and then come back. You can also click the little home button to talk to anybody in a private message. Next, you can mute a channel here. So if you don't want to keep getting push notifications only when somebody @s you, then you can click that right here. You can pin a message that you deem important, but only moderators and admin can do that. You can also click the members list, which will hide or show any of the members list. Next, you can do a search. You come up here and do a search. So say you want to look for XSPA. XSPA. All right. And it will populate the history of XSPA. Say you want to look for EKSO, and it'll pull up your history for EKSO. Say you just want to look for user specific, so Spaz, and it'll pull up where we mentioned Spaz. And then you have your inbox, where you'll get any messages or mentions. And then you have your help, where you can click here and it'll bring up the Discord help webpage. But that's pretty much it. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Leave a comment down below if y'all have any concerns or would like to know anything else. Thank you so much, fam. You all have a good one. Peace.